welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a special fan request cake because we have reached 5,000 subscribers and we wanted to celebrate that by making a fan request cake. So this one is requested by Byron. Thank you for the request. And he has asked to make an Elena of Avalor cake. So let's get started.
If you're not familiar with Elena of Avalor, this is her. I'm going to be mimicking this dress for the cake. So, I'm using a 6-inch and a 4-inch cake dummy, and I'm frosting both with vegan American buttercream, and they are on a gold cake board. I'm doing something I very rarely do. I am frosting a stacked cake, because this cake should look very organic. I mixed some red fondant with purple and more red food coloring to make some burgundy fondant. I rolled it out and placed it on the top tier. I draped it over onto the seam between the cake tiers. Then I cut out a triangle and smoothed it onto the front of the cake. Then I rolled out a long, thick strip of dark red fondant and used it to create the skirt. I wasn't trying to smooth it on, rather I wanted to have gentle folds to look more like fabric. Then I cut some thinner strips and folded them back and forth on the spot where the triangle is to create those folds in the frilly dress Elena wears. Then I rolled out some pink fondant and cut a strip to be the belt. I used the belt to cover the last of the buttercream still showing. Then I made a pink bow and placed it where the left hip would be. Then I rolled out some more burgundy fondant and cut it into a strip to mimic the top of the off-shoulder dress, and I wrapped it around the top tier. Then I cut out a whole bunch of tiny colorful flowers. I used pink, white, and yellow and placed them at regular intervals around the top part of the dress, around the shoulders, and around the outside of the skirt. I think we captured the look of Elena's dress, the sash belt, the frills on the front, the off-shoulder sleeves, and the tiny colorful flowers on the skirt. Thanks to all those who watch my videos for the support to get us to 5,000 subscribers. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.